Okay, everyone, it's good to see you again. This is Will Nicholas coming to you as Never Odd or Even, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different tonight. Today in the post, my loot crate arrived. So I'm going to do a bit of a loot crate opening right now. For those of you who aren't familiar with the loot crate concept, the loot crate is a company that will send you a lovely little box like this with a loot crate on it that will actually provide you with a whole bunch of bits and pieces from a geeky hobby kind of perspective. Sometimes you get t-shirts, sometimes you get little pop vinyls, or you'll get badges, range of different pop culture items that you may or may not choose to buy for yourself. So it's a bit of fun. It's kind of like getting a little bit of a gift in the mail, a gift parcel in the mail, and so I get really excited when the loot crate comes. This loot crate, this size loot crate, is about $40, and it's good value for money if you're into pop culture items and the like. So what I'm going to do right now is open it up. So I'm going to get to this side, just kind of peel the plasticky stuff off this. I don't know about you, but getting a parcel is delightful. I really look forward to the opportunity to receive something in the mail. It excites me to get something. And so a loot crate comes. Now you can set it up so that it's a regular subscription. You can do a one-off. You can get them once a month. You can do it however you want to. It's also not a bad, if you've got a friend who's a bit geeky like I am, it's a bit of fun you can send it to them as a bit of a gift. So it's a good way to do that. So I'm going to open this up now and have a look inside. Inside the loot crate, I've got a range of different items that have come. Oh, I'm having some trouble with the background. Here we go. I'm going to pull these out one by one and show them to you. So let's have a look. So the first thing I've got here is an Avengers standee. So let's have a look and see what's inside this box. An Avengers standee. Sounds like a bit fun. I love my Avengers, and it's always nice to have. For those of you who have seen some of my game reviews in my office, you'll see some of my loot crate items on the shelves behind me or around nearby. So inside this box, I've got, oh look at this, a standee. So it's pretty cool. It's Captain America coming out there, and you can use that to stand against the wall. You can use it to hold up your books. You can use that for anything, but it's a bit cool. It's also got looks like Iron Man in the back there, and Ant-Man and Thor. No, not Ant-Man. Thor and oh yeah, it is Ant-Man. Ant-Man and Wasp. Yeah, so that's going to be good. That'll go up on my shelf, just like that. Look at that, he's coming out of the wall. So that's the first thing that's in there. So I'm pretty happy with that. What else have we got in here? We've got a T-shirt. Okay, my T-shirt. This particular T-shirt is from. Oh, look at this! It's a Venom shirt. Venom. I do love my shirts. It's always nice to have a brand new shirt to wear. Venom. Yes, I'll be able to wear that. That will be very nice. Alrighty. So that's really good. So that's a fairly sturdy T-shirt in my size, and I'll be able to get some enjoyment out of wearing that. What else have I got? I have got something else. What is this interesting thing in my loot crate? It says here, loot crate. It's got the loot crate logo on it, and inside this little pouch. This is delightful, isn't it? It's a bit like Christmas. I've got a couple of straws with, and you can't see that, but with the loot crate logo on the straws, some steel straws. That's good. And look, that's very environmental. Some nice steel straws to make sure that when I go out, I don't have to waste plastic straws. I can use my Loot Crate steel straws, so I'm pretty happy about that. Environmentally friendly action there. Okay, now I've got a loot pin here. Oops, and my loot pin appears to have I'm not sure. Hang on, let me just have a look and see if I can see what that's about. Anyway, it looks pretty good. Two little superheroes crashing into each other. I don't know if anybody can identify those superheroes. It's a red one and a blue one, and they appear to be going head to head doing stuff. So there we go. Anyway, comment below if there's something there that you can spot. Now, it looks like I've also got a nice Godzilla poster, which is pretty cool, for the new Godzilla movie. And looks like Godzilla is taking on some dragons. Godzilla, King of the Monsters. I'll be able to put that on my wall as a bit of a post-it conversational piece. So that's always fun. And what else have I got here? I've got an envelope, a range sheet, range facility only, command issue cross range series in this envelope. Oh, let's see, let's have a look inside what's in here. So it looks like this is a couple of posters, and the posters are, oh, look at that. Oh, you can't see it, I'm looking at it. It's a Xylon range sheet, so I'll be able to put that on my wall, and that'll look really nice. And the other one is probably also a Xylon range sheet. Yes, it is. I have two of them, which means that I'll be able to use my, I might even be able to use that at archery to fire at, and maybe on my my Nerf guns as well. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with all of that in my Loot Crate. Now, Loot Crates also have the added ability of being able to be folded in a particular way to produce something. So I'll just have a look and see if I can work out how to do that. Alright, hang on, just got some missing information here. So this says in my Loot Crate I've got my shirt, got my pin. My pin says here, Loot Crate exclusive pin depicts universal fight between good and evil. That's pretty cool, so that's good. Alright. Got my bonus metal straws, and there's a bunch of stuff there. So okay, well, that's pretty exciting. That is my Loot Crate for today. There certainly is some folding and unboxing to be doing with the box itself, and I'll have a look at that a bit later on. So that's my Loot Crate. I've opened that today. I'm looking forward to wearing my shirt and doing all my bits and pieces with that. So thanks for joining me for that today. Now, I just wanted to remind you and thank you all. Actually, I wanted to thank all of those people who have participated in the Game of Phones this week. We had a flurry of pictures coming in, remembering that you're taking photos of something, not someone. Thanks, Adam, for remembering not someone. That annoys you, and I have to say, so far, according to me and also popular opinion, I think someone is out in front this week in terms of the creative picture will get the creative award. I'm really pleased to see so many new people. It's been great to have Elliot and Nick and a couple of others all get involved and send us those pictures of things that annoy them, and I'll have the full spread of pictures up on Saturday. I'll probably put that up about 10 o'clock Saturday morning. So it's not too late. Everybody who sends a picture in gets a point. And I wanted to let you know that there's something in the pipeline. I was down at the NeveroddoreveN warehouse earlier today and was checking out the odd elves who are down there working hard. And I'll let you know on a little secret. I'm letting you in on. There's some merch coming. We're working on a range of merchandise for Never Odd or Even. I'm not going to tell you what the merchandise is, but that's coming, and I'm going to look at giving out some prizes, some merchandising prizes to people who have excelled themselves. So make sure you're in the competition. Check out the Game of Phones latest post. Send me a picture because it could be you. So that's all I've got time for today. I just wanted to say thanks for everybody who's been commenting, liking and subscribing, both on Facebook. You can follow us on Twitter. We're also on Instagram and of course YouTube. I've actually also done this particular post live up onto Twitch. So Never Odd or Even is coming to you in a wild variety of ways at this point in time. So once again, thank you for your likes and subscribes. It is important to me, and it does help me out. There will be another episode of Civilization Discoveries coming up in the next 24 hours, as well as I mentioned before, on Saturday morning, the continuance of our Game of Phones. So stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Look, comment with each other, interact with each other. I'm trying to form a bit of a community here, so that'll be awesome. And I'm going to try and set up a bit of a scheduling for the live broadcasts on Twitch as well, so you'll be able to look out for those if that's your thing. Okay, well, once again, thanks for joining me, and I've been Will Nicholas, and this is Never Odd or Even. Catch you later on.